सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 216, verse 247. पुनद्वैतस्य वस्तुत्वम् भाति चेत्त्वं तथा पुनः परिशीलय को वात्र प्रायासस्तेन ते वद. The genuine question asked by the student, even we hear to the Vedanta for a length of time, I understand that everything is mithya. Aidi Chaitanyam Brahma alone is Satyam, but I am not able to remember this all the time. But when the situations are provoked in the family or when I interact with the world, I forget my real nature, that I am Brahman. Again, Dvaita Satyatvam come back to me. Just like ball comes when I hit the ball on the floor, it comes back to me only. Similarly, I am hitting the Dvaita Prapancha as Mithya. I am pushing away the Prapancha with Mithyatva Jnanam. But that it is not going, again it is coming back to me only. How do I know? I am reacting. When people are talking, when they are provoking, I am reacting to them. Previously, before coming to Vedanta class, no problem. After coming to Vedanta class, I have another second samsara, that is guilt. I feel guilty when I am reacting, instinctively responding to others. I feel guilty. I am a Panchadashi student. I am a Vedanta student. I am student of so and so Swamini for a long time. How can I react like this? How can I shout like this? I feel so guilty. Before coming to Shastra, I had only one samsara. Now after coming to Shastra, now two samsaras I have. A guilty problem I have developed after coming to the class. Because punaha dvaitasya vastutvam. However much I am listening in the class, the Dvaitam is mithya, it is unreal, all nama rupa only, it is matter only, body is matter, son's body is also matter, daughter's body is also matter. I know very well. I know. But that is not remaining standing for a long time. Again I am giving reality to that duality. Vastutva means vastavikata. Vastutva means nityam asti iti vastu tasya bhavaha vastutvam. I feel, I understand as though they are all real. They are shouting at me, they are insulting me, and they are looking at me so lowly or inferior. I feel so inferior when they are shouting at me. I am so restless. I am giving vastavikata to them. By my response itself, I can understand how much reality I am giving to them. Swamini words are somewhere at the subconscious level, but at conscious level, I am so restless, reacting. Dvaitasya vastutvam bhati. I take it everything as real only. Only in that class I understand that is Advaitam. But when I come out, everything is Dvaitam only for me. Where from this Abhimana comes, I do not know. Because of this Abhimana, why I am shouting also, I do not know. This Dvaitam bhati. Dvaitam bhati, vastutvena bhati, vastavikataya bhati. It is real anartham. What to do? If you say so, chet, if it is your doubt, my dear student, I can understand your problem. I can understand your problem. Then what you have to do, you know? Tvam tatha punaha parishilaya. Such you the one, after getting jnani student now. Jnani student who already attained that knowledge, Dvaita Mithyatva Nischaya. Dvaita Mithyatva Nischayam has come. But once in a while, the Dvaita appears as real. Therefore, you have to do what? Punaha Parishilaya. Again, you have to do inquiry. Inquiry in the sense, do contemplation. Mananam and Nididhyasanam Parishilaya. May you, that is why in Nirvana Shatkam, first 3 lines are Nishedha Mukha Vakyam. Mano Buddhya Hankara Chittani Naham Nacha Shrotra Jimhi Nacha Ghrana Netre Nacha Vyoma Bhumir Natejo Na Vayuhu. The 4th line, Siddhananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham, is I am owning up Vakyam. First 3 lines are disowning Vakyam. What I disown? Anatma Sharira Manas Buddhi Ahankara I disown. So first 3 lines are disclaiming. Last line, Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham, claiming. Disclaiming and claiming. What you have to claim, what you have to disclaim, you have to be careful. Atma disclaim pandi. Anatma claim. Adi pandinde irukom. We need not do separately. So when you are chanting that Nirvana Shatkam, you are disclaiming that you are not the body which is made out of 5 bhutas. You are disclaiming everything. Na punyam, na papam, na saukhyam, I am disclaiming. I don't have punya, I don't have papa. Body level, I am not this, I am not this. Then who am I? I am Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. This is called claiming. So 2 jobs you have to do. Punah Parishilaya means what? Claim. Claim. Again and again and again you have to claim yourself. Every time you claim, this is my house, this is my house, you tell others whenever they come. Punaha punaha claiming. He is my son, she is my daughter, he is my son, she is my daughter. This is called punaha punaha claiming. When you are doing this punaha punaha, why can't you do the same way, punaha punaha? Even though these are all possessions of me, but I am really not possessing anything. I am only trustee. I am Atma Swarupam, claim. At least equal ratio you have to claim. So many times you are claiming that Anatma, house, children and all. Now you have to claim, I am only Atma. Claim, claiming, 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 claiming. Okay. Kova atra prayasaha tena. What is difficulty in that? Is there any difficulty claiming that you are Brahman? Kova prayasa. What is there? Any difficulty is there? Vada, tell me. Now student is asking. Very nice advice, Guru. I am very happy. Now I start claiming. How long I have to claim? Tell me that also. So he is asking, Kiyanta kalamiti chet Khedoyam dvaita ishyatam Advaite tunayuktoyam Sarvanartha nivaranat. Now student is asking, Kiyantam kalam parishilayami iti chet. How long, how much duration I have to do this punah parishilanam? Contemplation, nididhyasanam, again and again I have to think, I have to claim how long I have to do. That also you prescribe. Just like patient asks doctor, once doctor gives the prescription, how long I have to use this medicine? Generally we ask 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 4 weeks, something doctor says. Like that, here student asking, Hey Guru Vaidya is asking, how long I have to do this punah parishilanam? Again and again, how long? Tell me. Kiyanta kalam, how long? Kiyantam, takarantaha, pullingaha, kiyat shabdaha. Dvitiya vibhakti, ekavachanam, kiyantam kalam, how long? Punaha parishilayami. You have to bring from the previous sloka. Guru said parishilaya. Now tell me how long I have to do parishilanam. Parishilam means that claiming, that remembering the teaching again and again. How long? Kiyantam kalam. How much time? Iti. Thus, if you ask iti chet, then Guru is telling, Ayam khedaha dvaite ishyatam. This type of pain, any practice, any sadhana, the pain in doing or some tiresome, boredom, something you feel in only in Dvaita. You should ask this question only how long I have to cook, how long I have to bring up my children, how long I have to take care of my mother-in-law, how long I have to take care of my family, how long I have to take care of my bank deposits. You have to ask about that only. Not about Advaitam Brahma. Punah parishilanam in Advaita, in Vyavahara, only you should ask this question. See how Guru is telling. In Dvaita Vyavahara only, you should ask this question. How long I have to take care of my grandchildren? How long I have to help my grandchildren? How long I have to take care of my daughter-in-law, daughter? You have to ask like that. But you are asking what? Chintaya, aham brahma asmi iti chintaya. Na, how long you are asking? Dvaite only khedam asti. In Dvaita Vyavahara, taking care of family, children, bank account, and current bill, water bill, this bill, that bill, paying, so much pain involved. Not in Advaita Parishilanam. There is no kheda. Kheda means pain. Any struggle. Dvaite ishyatam. You should ask this question regarding Dvaita Vyavahara. Not Advaita Gnana Nishtha Vishaye, you should not ask this. To get Advaita Gnana Nishtha, only I am telling this Punah Parishilanam. Ethananu Pandana Kekaraya. In the pain, Irundadana Kekaradaki. It is very, very simple. It is so nice. To claim, suppose you want to see your beautiful face that you are thinking. Beautiful I am and thinking, and you want to see the face. Are you tired of seeing your face? Are you tired of seeing your face? You are not tired of. How much time? That too big mirror, dressing table, clean a thodachi. Apadi varambodhu pogumbodhu paathinde irupom. Are you tired of? Why? Because priyaha. Atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. You are not tired of seeing your reflection in the mirror. Similarly, here also when you are doing parisilanam about what you are doing, aham shuddhaha, aham muktaha, aham brahmasmi, I am shantasya swarupam, aham adrishyam, agrahyam, agotram, avarnam, ahamannam, in the madre, when you are glory, you are parishilanam. Glory parishilanam only you are doing. Aham vrikshasya reriva, kirtif prishtam gireriva. I am the substratum of this universe. I am lending the existence to this universe. Everything is enlivened by me. Idula enna prayasa? Why you are feeling so tired? Kiyantam kalam, why you are asking? You should ask this question regarding Dvaita Vyavahara, not regarding Nididhyasanam. Atma Vishaya Nididhyasane, you are not supposed to ask this type of question. Therefore, Khedaha ayam Dvaite ishyata. In Dvaita Vyavahara only the Kheda is there, this type of Kheda. That what you are asking, Kheda, any pain, Kiyantam kalam, that you can ask, doctor, how long I have to take these bitter pills? No? You are asking like that here, Advaitam Brahma Vishaye. You should not ask. Why? Advaitetu na yuktaha ayam. This type of question, Advaitetu, regarding Advaitam Brahma. Aham non-dual Brahman. Aham shuddhaha. Aham muktaha. I am liberated. I am pure. I am immortal. I am birthless. I am deathless. Achedyoham. Achedyoyam adahyoyam. You are telling, I the Atma am. This Atma cannot be burnt. This Atma cannot be destroyed. Instead of saying that, I the Atma am never be burnt by anything. I the Atma am not destroyed by anything, by any weapons. That I am you have to convert into Aham. Third person into first person you have to convert. Aham, I the Atma am najayate namriyate kadachit. Aham, like that you have to think. Advaitetu na yuktaha. Na yuktaha, kim na yuktaha, what is not proper? Kiyantam kalamiti prashnaha na yuktaha. How long I have to practice this parishilanam, how long I have to do this question is not proper. With regard to doing this parishilanam with regard to your own nature. Why you are asking like this regarding Advaitam? That is not proper. Why? Sarvanartha nivaranat. I am Sarvanartha nivaranat. This parishilanam, this punah parishilanam, nididhyasanam, this contemplation again and again, claiming your real nature is for what? Meant for what? Sarva anartha nivaranam. Nivaranam, it destroys, it removes, it eliminates. Sarva anartha, all problems. By doing this punah parishilanam, again and again you are claiming, you are eliminating, you are destroying all future problems. Sarva anartha nivaranam. Sarve cha anarthaha cha sarvanarthaha. Karmadharaya samasa. Na arthaha vidyate yasmin anarthaha. Anarthaha means where there is no prayojanam at all, it is called anartham. Anartham means what? Where there is no prayojanam at all, only loss everywhere. That is called anartham. Ella anarthama nadakkaradanu solrom illaya. Ella waste point irukke anartham. That anartham is avoided. Anartha nivaranat. By doing this punah parishilanam, you are coming out of that problem. What? Anartham, loss. You are coming out of great loss. Anartham means loss. Nivaranam means avoiding. You are avoiding the great loss. What? I don't have peace, I don't have security, I don't have happiness. This worry, this anxiety. It is a great loss. Missing peace, missing happiness, missing security is a great loss. So I am avoiding that loss. Means what? I am claiming I am ever secure, I am ever happy, I am ever peaceful. My nature is peace. Shantam Shivam Advaitam. Therefore, Sarvanartha Nivaranat. All anarthams will go away when you are doing this Punah Parishilanam. Don't ask me how long. Do continuously. Are you asking anyone how long I have to look into mirror? You never ask. How long I have to eat? Are you asking? How long I have to eat? As long as you feel hungry, you go on eating. Once stomach is full, you don't ask, you run away from that place. If anybody want to feed you, you run away. Why? Enough for me. You don't ask how long I have to eat. You feel totally full. Similarly, here also, as long as you have Dvaita Vastutvam, still you are giving reality, so long you do. Why you are asking Kiyantam Kalam? As long as you are giving reality to your family members, family in situations, Vyavahara, reality, so long you have to do Nididhyasana. Don't ask me how long. How do I know how long you are giving reality to that? As long as you are giving reality, you are facing pain, problem. So, continue. Next. Another student is not leaving, continuously is asking. 249. Chutpipasadayo drishtam yatha purvam mayiti chet Matchibda vache hankare Drishyatam neti ko vadet. When you have an ideology in front of you or superior thing in front of you, other things we don't feel painful. For example, the mother, when she is delivering a baby, how much pain she undergoes, that pain she bears when she feels that baby is going to come. In front of that baby, imagination, she is thinking, my baby is going to come, my baby is so nice, healthy, so imagining like that. In that ideology, she forgets her pain, she undergoes that pain, it is not a pain. Like that, she is ready to face that pain for a baby. Similarly, you see that freedom fighters, when they were fighting for freedom, they were ready to undergo lot of punishments. Lot of punishments they used to undergo. From in front of their ideology, these body pains are nothing for them. Because their ideology is so high, in front of that, this punishment is nothing. Even Bhagat Singh said, even for my country's sake, if I have to die hundreds of times, I am ready to come and I don't mind. This type of death, I don't mind to face for my country's sake, he said. That means if you have a higher ideology in front, you don't feel any sadhana or any practice when you are doing. It is not a difficult thing at all. That is why once Birbal was asked by Akbar, showing a line, make it this short. Make this lion short without wiping. without touching the lion, line, not lion, line, you have to make it short. Then, what Birbal did, he draw a bigger line. He draw a bigger line. All of you know this story. You draw a bigger line. He drew a bigger line. Once he drew a bigger line, what happened to that line? Without wiping, it became small. Then Akbar was so wondered. What an intelligence, no? Birbal is having. Otherwise he will give punishment, no? Akbar. So that's way, this story, what we have learned, your family problems, how to make it short, no? You cannot make it short. You cannot curtail family problems. They are bound to be there, bodily problems, family problems, and they give always problem. Then how to make them insignificant? How to make them insignificant? Draw a big line like that, Aham Brahmasmi line. I am not touched by them. They are only Anatma body. Aham Brahmasmi, bigger line. In front of this Aham Brahmasmi, this wifehood, husbandhood, family, relations, vyavahara, everything become insignificant. The moment sun comes, all stars become insignificant, not bright. But in the night, they are so bright. When sunlight comes, Jnana sunlight comes, all our star-like problems looking so big in the Ajnana darkness. In Ajnana darkness, the stars like problems, they are all twinkling, no? Twinkling, little star illa, bigger star, bigger problem. Once that Ajnana darkness removed by Jnana Surya has come, what happens? That stars which are looking like problems, all will go away, become insignificant. They lose their brightness, they lose their horns, they lose their capacity to prick me. Now you go and see, outside stars are there, but because of sunlight, they are not significant. Similarly, once you say Aham Brahmasmi, Mutti Vali continues. Even you say Aham Brahmasmi, all problems continues at home as it is. Nothing will go away. இது ரொம்ப டிசப்பாயிண்டாக இருக்க சுவாமினி. நான் ஏதோ கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் போயிடும்னு சொல்லி வந்துட்டா கிளாஸுக்கு. பட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் கோயிங். இட் இஸ் ஆஸ் குட் ஆஸ் கோயிங். They become insignificant means it is as good as going. This is the way Aham Brahmasmi, bigger line. You have to claim, not drawing here. You cannot draw line. Aham Brahmasmi. Only intellectually you have to claim. When you go home, your husband will shout at you. Iniki uppu jastiya poten. Na sollinde irukene போடக்கூடாதுன்னு. அப்புறம் உடனே ஃபைட் பண்ணுவார். என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? அஹம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி. Like that you have to feel internally understand. Aham Brahmasmi. Don't take it seriously. You have put salt extra only. Instead of putting another dish, you are putting in this same dish. Tappu pannite illa. You cannot do anything for that parihara. But you don't feel too much for his shoutings, so that you say Aham Brahmasmi. Similarly, any pain for that matter become insignificant. Don't think once you are Aham Brahmasmi, all problems will go away. It will not go away. You may put salt too much or less. Otherwise your husband, your சுவாமினி போட்ட மாதிரி எனக்கு போடுறியான்னு ரொம்ப கம்மி போட்டுட்டியான்னு சொல்லுவா. அப்படி சொல்லலாம். சுவாமினிக்கு பிக்ஷை கொடுத்து பழகியாச்சு. உப்பு கொஞ்சமாக போடுறது பழகியாச்சு. Husband may shout, family members may shout, children may shout. Why you are cooking food like for Swamini, for me? You are also giving like that. They may shout. What do you have to say? aham brahmasmi. Internally you have to feel aham brahmasmi. That's, we are committing mistake. Accept that. Vyavaharically you are committing mistake. Some mistake or other you are doing. Accept it. But it will not touch me. Asparsha yogo vai nama. Okay. Now what is the question here? This much after saying also, the student is asking, I understand I am Advaitam Brahma. But I have hunger and thirst problem. Chut pipasa. Chut means hunger. Pipasa means thirst. Chut pipasadayaha. Adipadat pollution. Chennai is the most polluted city in country now. You know, Adipadat, Adipadat, present problem. Adipadat, water scarcity, air pollution, power cut, all these Adipadat, Chuttu Pipasa, all these problems, Drushta, I am seeing, I am facing. Just like Yatha Purvam. After getting Jnanam also, after getting Dvaita Mithyatva Nischayam, Advaitam Brahma Ahamasmi, after this Jnanam also, my hunger is continuing, my thirst is continuing. This is not just hunger, hunger pangs. Chut, no? Pang means pain, hunger pain, thirst pain. I am facing. What is this? If you ask like, Yatha Purva means before Jnanam, I got hunger pain, thirst also. I was struggling to quench my thirst before my knowledge. After my knowledge also I am struggling for cooking. I am struggling to get water. Shutpipasadayaha yatha purvam. Mayi, in me. In me means what? What type of me? Jnani me. In me, Jnani me. I am a Jnani now. In me also Chut is there. Pipasa is there. And other problems are also there. What is this? What is the use of coming to your Panchadashi class? Tell me. What is the use of coming to Panchadashi class? I am not able to face my family members. I am becoming more weaker, guilty also. Because they are blaming, you are a Vedanta student, you are a Vedanta student. But you are not doing at home properly. They are shouting at me. So I am facing so much problem. Iti chet, if you ask so, oh my dear student, Machabda Vache Ahankare Drishyata. This hunger and thirst you are there, they are there in me, you are telling that me, what it means? Ahankare. Machabda Vacha. Vacha Tvampada Vachyarthe Vyavaharika Ahankare, it is there. You are taking Vachyartha, Tvampada Vachyartha. What is Tvampada Vachyartha? Primary meaning of you is what? Body, mind, complex, Ahankara. Ahankare. You are taking Vachyartha. Vachyartha Ahankara is having what? Vyavaharika hunger, Vyavaharika thirst, bound to be there. Matshabda Vache and Vachyarthe. Primary meaning of I is Ahankara. Mat means Aham. Aham Shabda. Vacha. Vacha means the primary meaning of I is body, mind, complex. That is Ahankare. Drishyatam. They are bound to be there. In Vyavaharika I, lower I, thirst and hunger, both are bound to be there. Bound to be there. Na iti ko vadet. Who said they are not there? I never said. You won't feel hungry, you won't feel thirsty after coming to Panchadashi class. Once you claim Brahman, you don't feel thirsty, you don't feel hungry. I never said. You are combining that Vachyartha I with Advaitam Brahma Ahamasmi. Vachyartha I Aham Brahmasmi never gel. Lakshyartha I and Aham Brahmasmi only can gel together. You are taking Vachyartha I and Why there are hunger and thirst, you are asking? Who said there are no hunger and thirst? I never said hunger and thirst bound to be there in ahankara I. Ahankara is vyavaharika I. Thirst, hunger also vyavaharikam. So daniki diniki saripoyindi. Vyavaharika I, vyavaharika, hunger and thirst go together. I said you are Advaitam Brahma from Lakshartha I standpoint. In Lakshartha I you are Brahman. Amma amma Brahmaniki Chutpipasa undodi anna. Brahman Thampada Lakshartha Brahman I never have any hunger and thirst. I Lakshartha I you are mixing with hunger and thirst. Hunger and thirst are connected to ahankara I. In the ahankara I you are taking it as Chutpipasa I. This is you are taking it as original I. That is wrong. This is our problem. நீ கிளாஸுக்கு போய் கூட அப்படியே சாப்பிட்டுன்னு இருக்கே, நான் சாப்பிடாம எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? ஞானி என்ன சாப்பிடக்கூடாது? பைத்தியம். ஞானி வந்து நல்லா சாப்பிடுவா, ஏன்னா அவனுக்கு கவலை கிடையாது. அதனால நல்லா சாப்பிடுவா ஞானி, கவலை கிடையாது, நல்லா தூங்குவா. That's why people will wake up. Why you are sleeping? Wake up. You are free. After listening Panchadashi class, you are so relaxed and you go and sleep. Family members come and, hey, wake up, get up, get up. How can you sleep? There is water problem, scarcity, water scarcity, power scarcity. Go, get up. And you don't bother about all those things. See, Vyavahara problems will continue. Don't mix up this Chuttu, Pipasa, hunger and thirst with Tvampada Lakshartha I. Tvampada Lakshartha I is Brahman. Chut Pipasa are belong to Vyavahara. This Vyavahara, Vyavaharika, hunger and thirst bound to be there for Vyavaharika Ahankara. Let them be there. I never said they should not be there, they won't be there. I never said. Ko vadet nagiti. Who said they are not there? I never said. Next shloka. Chidrupe piprasajjeran tadatmyadhyasato yadi madhyasam kuru kim tutvam vivekam kuru sarvada. Now he is telling, again student is asking question. What is that question? Chidrupe api prasajjeran Chutpipasadayaha. This hunger and thirst also be there in Chidrupa. Chaitanya Atma will have hunger and thirst. You are telling only Tvampada Vachyartha has got hunger and thirst. Tvampada Lakshartha Chidrupa Atma will not have hunger and thirst. You are telling. I say, even this Tvampada Lakshartha Chidrupa Atma also has got what? Hunger and thirst. Adepade. He says, gives the reason. Adhyasat. Because of superimposition. Tadatmya adhyasataha. Because of tadatmyam adhyasa. Because of superimposition. Because of superimposition only you have got misery, you are telling. Because of superimposing one thing upon other only you are having problems, you are telling. Why not this superimposition upon Chidrupam also? Therefore Tadatmya Adhyasa will be there in Chidrupa also. Therefore this hunger thirst problem continues in Chidrupa also. Chidrupe api, in pure consciousness also. Chidrupa means in pure consciousness. Yedi, in the first line, last word, yedi, if tadatmya adhyasataha Tadatmya adhyasataha means because of this superimposition. Due to identification, because of superimposition, tadatmya adhyasataha, chidrupe api, in chidrupa also, now you have to supply. Shutpipasadayaha prasajjeran. Shutpipasa, hunger and thirst, may be there, that problem in this chidrupa also because of adhyasa. Now, chidrupa also is here along with the body-mind complex together. Because of that adhyasa, why not that hunger and thirst there in chidrupa? Adhyasataha. Adhyasa is of two types. Tadatmya adhyasa, samsarga adhyasa. Tadatmya adhyasa, samsarga adhyasa means what? You have to understand. I am seeing a snake itself upon the rope. The whole substance rope, I see it as a snake. This is called tadatmya adhyasam. The swarupam of the rope, I see it as the swarupam of snake. Total substance I convert, I superimpose. Snake I superimpose upon the rope totally, completely. So in the place of rope, I see only snake. This is called tadatmya adhyasa. And the rope substance in the pamba paakradhe. And the rope substance full and full. In the naan paakra pambu full rope, full substance ellame paakre. This is tadatmya adhyasa. Samsarga adhyasa means the crystal, there is red flower, and the red flower, I don't see the crystal as flower. I see the crystal, white crystal, as red color. Property only if I superimpose, the red color property if I superimpose upon the crystal substance, that is samsarga adhyasa. Samsarga means because of nearness. I take the color of the hibiscus, red color flower, I superimpose upon the white crystal. But I don't see the crystal as a flower. I see the crystal as red in color. What I have superimposed? Only color, not flower. I have superimposed the color only. This is called samsarga adhyasa. Now my problem is not samsarga adhyasa here, tadatmya adhyasa. In Chidrupe, hunger and thirst are there. Chidrupa itself, I am taking myself. Chidrupa is having hunger and thirst means what? Hunger and thirst of body, mind. That is pranamaya kosha. Hunger and thirst belong to pranamaya kosha. I superimpose total pranamaya kosha upon Chidrupa. Not pranamaya kosha's hunger and thirst I am superimposing. I am superimposing complete pranamaya kosha. That is why I say I am hungry. I don't say my pranamaya is hungry. I am hungry, you say. I am thirsty, you say. This is called tadatmya adhyasa. Okay. Tadatmya adhyasataha. Hetvardhe panchami. Because of this tadatmya adhyasa, identification, superimposition. I identify with total pranamaya kosha. I forget I am tvampada lakshartha. I am only pranamaya kosha because of tadatmya adhyasa. What a guru says, adhyasam ma kuru. May you not superimpose that pranamaya kosha problem upon your tvampada lakshartha. I don't do that adhyasa. Then what I have to do, Guru? Kintu tvam vivekam kuru sarvada. May you do inquiry again, attend Shravanam, do Shravanam again and again, punah punaha Shravanam kuryad. That is why avrittihi asakrida upadeshat. Again and again listen to Shastra. One time listening is not sufficient. Bhagavad Gita 2 times, 3 times, 4 times you listen again and again. Upanishads listen again and again. That is what he says. Punaha kintu vivekam sarvada kuru. Vivekam means again you do inquiry. Again you listen. Do shravanam. Do shravanam. Nididhyasana is not working properly. Do shravanam again and again. Shravanam is not sufficient. Dose pattala anardham. Shravanam dose pattala. You are not able to handle vyavahara properly means that shravanam what you have done is not sufficiently done. Then what? Continue the next sloka. He is asking question again. What is that question? Jhatityadhyasa ayati Yadhyasa ayati Drudhavasanayeti chet Avartayed vivekam cha Drudham vasayitum sada. Now he is asking student, very nice to listen, but in the but vidamata, but Swamini, whatever you are saying, I understand, but when I am interacting with the world, I am facing the problem. Why? Jagat mithyatvam, dvaita mithyatvam, advaita brahma satyatvam. This is what we are asking. But I have done that. What? Dvaita mithyatva nishchaya. Idella mithya. Allame mithya. Everything is mithya. But suddenly vasanas are coming. Jhatiti, vasana, the subconscious level. Subconscious level vasanas are all spontaneously they are coming out and I lose my temper. And that's what he is asking. Jhatiti adhyasam ayati. Jhatiti means suddenly, instantaneously, without my prayatna. Without my prayatna, adhyasa ayati. I superimpose immediately. What? I forget I am Brahmasmi, Chidananda Rupam, Shivoham, class lone vitita. Then first 3 lines I have forgotten. Then what? I am a wife, I am a husband, I am a daughter, I am a mother. Avanga paatha udane adu varadu Swamini. The moment I look at their face, I forget Nirvana Shatkam. Then immediately Atadahatma Adhyasa is coming. Why? Dridavasanaya. Dridavasana means what? This vasana is so powerful, strong, due to past impressions. Dridhavasana means not yesterday's vasana, day before yesterday vasana, janmas vasana. Dridavasanaya iti ayati iti chet. Dridavasanaya. Now you have to do Anvaya this way. Adhyasaha Dridavasanaya Jhatiti Ayati. Now we have to supply. Tvam vadasi chet. Oh my dear student, this Adhyasa superimposition, I said Makuru. But you are telling, I am not doing, it is coming. I am not doing superimposition. It is coming. Jhatiti. Suddenly it is coming. It is coming because of what? Drudhavasana. Tvam vadasi chet. That is supply. Tvam vadasi. If you say so, because of the past strong, deep impressions, immediately I am revolting or provoking, or I am immediately responding, reacting. Instead of acting, I am reacting. Teacher told me to react, but I have forgotten, I am reacting. I am reacting. And if you ask like that, iti chet, it in inverted commas, student quotation. Iti chet, then what? Avartayed vivekam cha dhrudavasayitum. If that vasana is dridham, what you have to do, aham brahmasmi, dridha vasana. You replace that dridha vasana, samsara dvaita dridha vasana, replaced by another dridha vasana of what? Advaitam Brahma. அது எவ்வளவு 50% இருந்தா இது 50% பண்ணு, அது 75% இருந்தா இது 75%. அது திருடமா இருக்கா, இது திருடமா பண்ணு, அப்படி பண்ணு. யூ டூ லைக் தட் ஓன்லி. திருடவாசயித்தும் சதா, ஆல் த டைம், சதா convert all strong deeper impressions of Dvaitam by the strong impressions of Advaitam. அதுக்கு இது கரெக்டாக டேலி ஆகணும். அது பவர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்க, இது மாத்திரம் எப்போ வீக்லி ஒன்ஸ், அதேவும் ஆல் த டேஸ் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங். ஸோ வாட் டு டூ திஸ் ஆல்சோ ஆல், தட்ஸ் வை அட்டெண்ட் ஆல் த கிளாஸஸ் ஐ செட். புரியுறதோ? ஏன் 4-5 இடத்துல ஹோல் வீக் ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் கிளாஸஸ். வர முடியலன்னா படு மனமே படு. அதனால இஃப் யூ கம் டு ஆல் கிளாஸஸ், வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன்? ஈக்குவல் திருடவாசன, திருடவாசன, துவைத்தம் திருடவாசன இருந்தால் இது அத்வைத்தம் ஆல்சோ திருடவாசன. ஐ மேக் இட் திருடம். பட் அப்படி பண்றது இல்லையே, அதனால யூ ஆர் ஃபேஸிங். அட்டெண்ட் ஆல் கிளாஸ் அண்ட் கிவிங் umpteen reasons. I don't want all reasons. You attend to make your Advaita Dhridavasana to replace equally that Dvaita Dhridavasana. How can it come and attack you? No complaints. அப்படின்னு கம்ப்ளைண்ட் சொல்லணும் இல்லையா? தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? ஸ்டில் வி ஆர் ஃபீலிங் கம்ப்ளைண்ட்ஸ். ப்ராப்ளம் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? இந்த அத்வைத்த நிஷ்ட பத்தலை. அந்த ஸ்டடி, சிரவணம், மனனம் நாட் சஃபிஷியன்ட். டோஸ் பத்தலைன்னு அர்த்தம். தட் இஸ் வை டீச்சர் சாஸ்திரா அட்டெண்ட் ஆல் த கிளாஸஸ் சொன்ன மேக் இட் எ பாயிண்ட். வை நாட்? சுவாமினி இந்த கிளாஸ்க்கே வம்பாடு எம்பாடு படு, என்ன பண்றது? ஃபார் லாங் டைம் யூ ஹேவ் டு சஃபர். நோ, ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட். கம் அண்ட் அட்டெண்ட் த கிளாஸ். தட் இஸ் த ஓன்லி சொல்யூஷன். ஓன்லி சொல்யூஷன். விடமாட்டானே ஸ்டூடெண்ட். என்ன சொல்ற பாருங்க. விவேகே துவைத மித்யாத்வம் யுக்தைவேதி ந பண்யதாம் அசிந்த்ய ரச்சனாத்வஸ்யாம் அனுபூதிர்ஹி ஸ்வசாக்ஷிகி. ஸ்டூடெண்ட் சேஸ், ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன சும்மாவா? எவ்வளோ பவர்ஃபுல்லாக பாருங்க. however much teacher says, student is trying to justify Dvaita Vasana, Samsara, Vyavahara. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இடம் கொடுத்தா உனக்கு என்ன தெரியும் சுவாமின்னு கூட சொல்லுவா. எங்க வீட்டுக்கு வந்து பாருங்கோ அனி சொல்றா. என்ன பண்றது? பிகாஸ் தே ஆர் இன் மெஜாரிட்டி, குரு இஸ் இன் மைனாரிட்டி. That is why he is telling what? You see, however much I am attending Swamini out of respect on you, your teaching, wonderful teaching, I attend your class. But this Dvaita Vyavahara, Dvaita Anubhava is Pratyaksham. This is Pratyaksha Anubhava. From morning to till night I am directly experiencing this Dvaita Anubhava. This is Pratyaksha Anubhava. Now the Mithyatva Nishchayam only in your class by logic. எவ்வளோ இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பாருங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட். இப்போதான் தெரியாது யூ ஆர் ஆல் சோ இன்டெலிஜென்ட். இது பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் this Dvaita Mithyatvam, this all are unreal, all these things only in your class, that through logic you are explaining. Now I want to tell you, oh Guru, Pratyaksha Pramanam is powerful. That is Upajivya Pramanam. This logic in your class 1 hour is Upajivi Pramanam. It is logic is always only secondary Pramanam. So, Upajivi Pramanam, logic. In one class, by logic, if I talk in my house, they will slap me. It is a Pratyaksha Pramana. இத்தனை ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்க வீட்டில் நீங்கள் போய் லாஜிக் பேசுறியேன்னா வீட்டில் லாஜிக் பேசினா who will accept me? பிரத்யக்ஷமாக I am facing all problems. So, Pratyaksha Pramanam, that is Upajivya Pramanam, is powerful. It is, that is a Pramanam. Yukti Pramanam is called Upajivi Pramanam. Logic is depending upon Pratyaksha Pramanam only. How can you do logic otherwise? Logic we are talking based on what? Pratyaksha Pramanam. So, this Yukti Pramanam, logic means what you are using, everything is mithya, 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 based on Pratyaksha Pramanam. Pratyaksha Pramanam is powerful. Therefore what? Listen, student is telling. What he is telling? Advaite, Dvaita Mithyatvam Viveke Sati. Viveke Sati means this Dvaita Mithyatvam Yuktya Eva. First you have to take Yuktya. Yuktya means by logic. By Yukti, by logic alone. Yuktya Eva Yuktya. And the Eva is there inside. Yuktya Eva, by logic alone. Yuktya Viveke Sati Dvaita Mithyatvam. Yuktya Viveke means by logic if I do inquiry. Viveka means inquiry. Through logic I do inquiry. What comes? This Viveke eva Dvaita Mithyatvam. This in your class only, through logic only, the world is mithya, I am coming to know. If you say so, na bhanyatam. It is not correct, my dear student. Don't say like that. The whole world is mithya, unreal, through logic. Drishyatvat, ghatavat. This is called logic. Drishyatvat, ghatavat. ನೀವು ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಚೊಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಡಿಚಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂರ್ಣಮಿದಂ ಚೊಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋರೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷಮ ನಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ್ವೈತ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ. Dvaita Mithyatvam is in the class. Through logic you are establishing Yuktya Viveke Sati Dvaita Mithyatvam Na Bhanyatam. Don't say like that. This is only logical, not practical. Practical is what? Dvaita Prapancha. This is only logical. Therefore, I am not able to do Dvaita Mithyatva Nischayam Pratyakshama. Well, logically puriyardu Swamini. Logically understand. Part is Mithya, Drishyatvat. Dvaita Prapancham Mithya, Drishyatvat, Ghatavat. Logic perfect. I don't ask logically. But Pratyakshama. Guru says, don't say that. It's not so. Why? Logic is a sadhanam. Logic is a sadhanam. The sadhanam dwara you never arrive at conclusion. Dvaita Mithyatva Nischaya I am not arriving through logic. This is very, very important. Dvaita Mithyatva Nischayam, which is sadhanam. This is Yukti is sadhanam. And inquiry through that I am getting Mithyatva Jnanam. Jnanam is the sadhyam. Understand? Therefore, na bhanyatam by achintya rachanatvad sya. This is inexplicable. This is inexplicable. This world, Dvaitam, Prapancha, what I said, this whole creation is Mayatvataha. I said it in Achintya Rachana Shaktihi. In previous sloka I said it is inexplicable. It is inexplicable, I said. Therefore, if Pratyaksha Dvaita Prapancha is inexplicable, I said, it is not explainable. It is but to your experience. Swasakshiki. That means here, anubhutihi swasakshiki. You are not arriving at Dvaita Mithyatvam through logic only. You are arriving at through your own anubhava. Anubhuti means your own anubhava. Swasakshiki means swayam sakshi. You are the only one experiencing it is mithya. It is unreal, not through yukti. You are coming only through your own anubhava. Why you are telling through yukti? You are coming through only knowledge. Knowledge is the sadhyam. Yukti is sadhanam. You are not arriving at Dvaita Mithyatvam through yukti. Yukti dvara you are getting gnanam. உனக்கு ஞானம் வரல, இந்த யுக்தி மாத்திரம் வீட்டுக்கு போய் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேள். என்ன பண்றது? யுக்தி சொல்லாதீங்க யாருக்குமே. ஞானம் should come. You should get ஞானம். நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? இந்த யுக்தி எல்லாம் கத்தின்னு கிளாஸ்ல வீட்டுக்கு போய் யுக்தி எல்லாம் சொல்றோம். யுக்தி won't work. Understand? Smoke, when I see smoke, there is a fire. Smoke, that is yatra yatra dhumaha. Logic. Tatra tatra vannihi. Now the smoke is giving fire knowledge. Smoke is giving fire knowledge. Smoke is not giving fire knowledge. Smoke knowledge giving the fire knowledge. Smoke is not giving fire knowledge. Smoke is not giving fire knowledge. Smoke gives fire knowledge. Smoke the creating the fire anna madri aidum. Puriyadho? Konjam kashtam yosikkanum. Next week solren. Konjam vivarama next week solren. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.